Hey guys, this is Dr. Diaz again with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. We have Juan here. He's a former patient of ours, or he's an existing patient of ours. So he's coming in today with bilateral pain in his traps, okay? He's a weightlifter. Looks like he's got a little armband there for climbing as well. So these types of activities, weightlifting, climbing, can definitely cause him to have some tension in his upper back. He's come in before with this type of issue where he has tension in his upper back, upper neck. We get in here, we've provided chiropractic care before. So as a quick interjection here, Juan, what do you feel after you come in for treatment? How long does it last as far as the feeling, so on and so forth? If you could just kind of address that a little bit here.
I feel like my athletic performance improves. I just need to stretch more, but I feel way better after I get my adjustment.
So he feels better with adjustment, better athletic performance. He reports that he feels looser, just better, better to athletically perform. Like I said, he comes periodically. We don't have him on an extended treatment plan. He comes as needed, gets adjusted, feels better, continues on his way, comes back as he needs care. So we're going to show you guys what we do for him today. Today I'm going to do a little bit of bilateral release techniques on both traps. So we're going to show you some release techniques here before we adjust in the neck, upper back region. We're just going to show you guys some chiropractic care. So if we can, we'll sit up right over here, and we're going to do, you stay right where you're at. We're going to do a little bit of active release technique here on the traps here, okay? So we're going to start right in here. Let's have you extend your arm out like this for me, okay? Hold it right there, and I want you to slowly bring it forward like here. Come back out. Take it forward again. Come back out. Take it forward. Come back out. And forward. Good. Relax right there. How's that feel?
That felt great.
Good. Okay. Do the same thing right over here. We've got a little bit of mid-trap issue going forward. Come back out. Go forward. Come back out. Forward. Come back out, okay? Relax right in here for me. We're gonna show set up for some chiropractic adjustment, okay? So I want you to scoot about that much further onto the chair, right there, and then lean your upper body back right here. We're gonna get in here and do some get some movement in here. Relax here for me. Good, okay. Relax right. Actually scoot a little bit further down on the chair here, and then upper right here. There you go. Perfect. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. Better movement on that second one. All right. So just in case you go to the chiropractor, don't self-adjust in the waiting room. All right. All right. All right. Let's see here. We're gonna get a little bit of a movement in here. Tender in here. Yeah. Sorry about it. All right. Relax right in here for me. Good. Relax in here. Good. Good. Same thing here. Good. Good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay on your side facing this way. Okay. Right here we're going to go top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Right here. Good. Give me this arm right over here. Relax your head right there for me. Okay. There. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. All right. Same thing here. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Yep, right there. Are you going to the gym right after?
Yeah, right after.
All right. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Very good. Lay face up for me. Okay. Right in here. Nice socks. Good. Right here. Good. Stay right there. Try to get a little bit of work here on the neck. All right. Okay. tender in there.
Yes, sir.
Relax here. Good. One more here. Relax. All right. Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
Good. How's that feel?
Man, I felt great.
See? Very good. There you go.